Sarah here with Array of Hope Health. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad you are here. Today we are going to be baking up another sugar-free, delicious, low-carb treat that's gonna help you hit your health goals. I absolutely love sharing my easy hacks to make things simple. So thank you for being here. Let's get started. We are still in birthday month, and so for my mom's birthday, it's a surprise. It's actually, we celebrated a little bit earlier with a surprise party, but her actual birthday is this coming week, and so we are going to be making her other favorite treat. She loves cheesecake, and her second favorite is strawberry cake. So we're going to actually be making the strawberry trimtastic cake from Trim Healthy Table. If you have not made this, it comes together so easy. Let me show you how. All right, you can find this recipe on page 389. And just follow along with me. So you're gonna wanna start with a yellow squash. And if you're saying, Sarah, are you colorblind? No, I'm not. I didn't have a yellow squash. So again, like I always suggest, if you don't have the exact ingredients, ask yourself, do I have something that will work? So I'm gonna use just a regular zucchini. Here's the thing, if you put this in, it's gonna make the color of the cake just slightly off. Just a little bit. It's not the end of the world, but if you are a color person and you're like, you know what, I really don't want it to be like green, then just peel off the edges of this, and that's how you can save most of the color. Otherwise, just use a yellow one. That will give it that more pink look when you add the strawberries. Once you have your zucchini or your yellow squash peeled, all you need to do is get out a food processor for this. That's how we're gonna blend it. So I'm just gonna chop this up, and then we're gonna throw this in just loosely like this. Then you're gonna turn it on for just a minute so you can puree this. All right, that's good. So can you see in there? Looks like this. We're ready to add everything else. So what you're gonna do is you're also going to want to either use frozen, I've used frozen before also, or fresh strawberries. And you're going to go ahead and just add absolutely everything and then blend it, then we're gonna bake it. It's that simple. Okay, now we're gonna add in 4 eggs, and then we're gonna add in 4 tablespoons of butter. It's already softened, so if you can have it softened, it will blend up a little bit faster. Okay, we're gonna add in 1 1/4 cup of baking blend. 3/4 cups of Gentle Sweet. This is how I hold my stevia. We're actually going to do 1/4 teaspoon of stevia. Okay, you will need a teaspoon of baking powder and of baking soda. Then I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of strawberry extract. All right, now you're just gonna blend this up until it's smooth. Okay, about halfway through, I just scrape the side down, blend it again. You can always do coconut oil for a dairy-free version of this. So it should look like this. Then you're just gonna take an 8 or a 9-inch round or a square pan, and then you're gonna pour it into here. So I'm using my Epicure round. And any of these Epicure items that I'm using, I will link in the description for you if you want the measuring spoons. I love this one because it's 4 in 1. It has your teaspoon, your tablespoon, your half teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon all in one. And all I do is I put this into my round pan, which they don't make these anymore, but if we're really nice and ask them, maybe they'll start making the round pan again. And then we're just gonna throw this in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And then we're gonna pull it out, let it cool, and then we'll top it with our icing. Hey guys, when you are done cooking your cake, you're gonna want to let it cool off completely before you add the icing. So now what I'm gonna do is, if you have put it in a silicone liner, make sure also, if you're not using a silicone liner, that you put it in like parchment paper or something like that. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to top it in your container if it gets a little stuck to the pan. So I'm just gonna take this out, and you can either leave it this direction or you can flip it. You can see, I'm holding it. Woo! Okay. I wanna put that down. And if you want to put it on a decorative plate, you can do that. If not, you can just leave it in the original pan, whatever you're doing for the special occasion. Okay, so for the icing, I'm going to put in 4 ounces of cream. Then I'm going to put in 4 ounces of cream cheese. Then I'm going to add in half a cup of strawberries. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of Gentle Sweet. And we're going to add in 2 donks of stevia. I'm going to do half of a teaspoon of strawberry extract, give a little strawberry flavor. I'm going to go ahead and mix this until it whips up nice and fluffy. Okay, when it's done, it is going to look nice and thick and creamy. Look at that. So good. Okay, so now all we're going to take that, look at that beautiful color. So we're just going to go ahead and put on our cake and ice it. If you have the fun little, oh gosh, what are these things called? A cake decorator piece. Wow. Please send me all your DMs. I don't know what this is called. A cake smoother. I don't know. Get one of these. I got this at the Dollar Tree, of all places, you guys. They sell these. So all you have to do is you can take it and then you can smear it. Wow. It's a special day. You can just smooth it and put it on the sides if you want to, and have fun with it. Decorate your cake, it's your cake, so enjoy decorating and have fun. Okay, now you can add some strawberries to the top because it is a strawberry cake. Okay, and then when you're all done, throw it back in the fridge until it's time to serve and enjoy. Thanks so much for making the strawberry cake with me. I hope you guys give it a try. You can see how super simple it is. And this is one of those desserts that is enjoyed best the next day. I cannot wait to see yours. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. All right, I'll see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.